Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to do an unbox on this bug-proof tent that I have right here. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to build it right here for you so you can see what you're going to expect when you buy one of these. So let's get it out of the bag. First off, we're going to see is this green bag that we have right here. This is the first time I'm opening this tent, so we are going to see the same thing. Okay, let's get this ribbon out of the way. These are great for picnics, for all that kind of stuff. Let's get it out. We got our tubes right there, which should be the main structure. Then we have this little bag right here, and we're gonna see what we have. Let's get them out of the bag right here. Okay, these are some metallic tubes. Okay, these are to put on the dirt so it doesn't fly away, and we got some rope also. We're not gonna need these right now, but it's good to have them. And this should be our instruction manual. Yeah, that is right there. Let's get these out of the bag. This should be our main frame for our tent. This is gonna be hard, but we're gonna get it done. Hold on, let me see how we open this. Okay, there we go. This is our main structure right here. Let's get them out. And I'm gonna do this on fast forward so you guys don't have to wait. Well, all right, guys, this is not an easy task. I thought it was really easy to assemble, but it's not. But I'm gonna show you what I did. So first off, we got these thin tubes that we can assemble, the ones you saw earlier. So we make first a cross that goes one side to the other, and then it will assemble right here. And then we got 1/3 tube that will just assemble right there. You can see it hooked. That's hooked right there, and that is how you assemble it. And once you get the thick tube, right there, we put it on these keys right there. It'll also hook, so it'll make the cross, and you will have this big tent right there. So I'm gonna show you just about how big it is. We're gonna unzip that right there. And she's gonna go inside. And you can see it is for at least 4 to 6, maybe 8 people inside. You can check it out. This does not have a floor. Remember, this is a bug tent. So we go inside and then we close it. We can close it from either side, from inside or outside. So this is the bug tent, so you guys can see what you're gonna expect when you buy one of these. Well, all right, guys, thanks for watching. My name is George Aguilar, and this is the bug tent. If you guys are interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching.